join the Polyway pre-sale and become part of the house. Unlock early investment opportunities, get 35% revenue share from all ecosystem, and be at the forefront of decentralized gaming and prediction markets. So select your crypto from here. So first of all, you connect your wallet from here and connect your wallet so that you can buy this token. So guys, you can see my MetaMask wallet is open here. So I put here its password and click on unlock button. So you can see my MetaMask wallet is successfully connected after a few minutes. So click on connect button to connect your wallet. So here you can see on screen that's my MetaMask wallet is connected successfully. Because here you can see it's USD value raised 1 million plus, and here Polyway pre-sale is live now. You need to buy 8,501 tokens to unlock a 1% extra bonus on all transactions. So buy now PLW and unlock your extra bonus PLW. So it's remaining days is after remaining 2 days its price its resale is start, and next price 1 PLW is equal to 0.032, and USD raised is 10 million point 89. Token price is 0.030, and listing price 1 PLW is equal to 0.0. So next you can see it's on here you can see it's a live transaction also. So you can buy easily. Here you can see it's a buying method. So first of all, to buy PLW token during the pre-sale, follow these simple steps. Connect your wallet or log in with the email to the pre-sale platform. Choose a compatible wallet. See below for more details. Select the amount of PLW tokens you want to purchase. The price will be displayed in your chosen cryptocurrency such as Ethereum, USDT, or BNB. Send the required amount to the wallet generated for you in the selected currency. The system will prompt you to confirm the purchase. Once your transaction is successful, you will receive confirmation. So what wallets I use to buy PLW tokens? We support a variety of popular wallets for purchasing PLW tokens. Here are the most commonly used wallets you can connect to the pre-sale. So if you're using a hardware wallet like Ledger or Trezor, you can connect them via MetaMask or Wallet Connect. So you can read out it's a holistic ecosystem designed for gambling and prediction products, including lotteries, raffles, and Web3 gaming. So all in one next generation Web3 platform catering to on sport in real time, be it football, basketball, hockey, or any other sport to suit your taste. Just pick your lot and place your game. So Polyway join the Polyway arena too in political events, news headlines, TV series, movies, or set your own term on public or private events among friends or a global audience of fortune seekers. So it's a premier destination for online gambling, featuring a vast array of over 10,000 gaming, including slots, roulette, blackjack, and baccarat. So launch your own casino prediction market like polymarket.com or Web3 Farm with our white label software. Operators pay only a 5 to 10% commission on profits in native PLW tokens. So guys, powered by Web3 and overseen by the blockchain, yes, funds unlimited opportunities on classic sports software and any kind in real time with the already smart contracts ensuring instant payouts. Add that Web3 games, draw, raffle, lotteries, and a universe of entertainment too. So it's a betting experience like never before, going away with such a traditional concentrate as censorships, mandatory registration, collection of user data, blocking of user accounts, discrimination and bias on various principles, and limit reduction. So its app is available you can try it. So Polyvay, the venue of join for that on private and public events. So got an idea for private between friends or peers on any topics of your choosing place on play Polyvay and set the terms as you see fit to get the excitement rolling. So guys, here looking to on political elections, the outcomes, or whether a character in Netflix and bloggers looking to bootstrap audience, influencers seeking a new means of interaction, average individual with a knack that friends and peers looking for ways to resolve debates on issue. So guys, here you can see probably a use case in public markets and it's the place where the takers only Grow is the premier destination for online gambling, feature over 10,000 games, and it's a slot, roulette, blackjack, poker, baccarat, or any other of the thousands of games on the platform. You will have the benefit of complete transparency and fairness. All statistics of win and losses are open. Anyone can see the casino's profit and get a share of it. So next you can see here is flexibility and low startup cost, revenue potential, security and transparency also. And in NFT holders yield and benefits 10% revenue from the Yes Casino and the prediction markets of Polyvay.io, guaranteed drops of PLW tokens, automatic white listing for discounted private PLW sale rounds, distribution of 30% of all yes revenue from Sportline web mobile and Telegram bot apps, and free up to $10,000 for NFT headers holders on a weekly and monthly basis. So you can buy its NFT easily. So one token, many benefits. Polyvay applies a deflationary mechanism. So is in the last you can see some of its social media communities in which Telegram and Twitter are available here. So you must join these communities to get its news and updates. So you must join its Telegram community. So and here you can see its Twitter community. So you must join this community to get its news and updates. So guys, you can retweet them to get help. So that's the project today I review. I hope this video is very informative for you. Take care. Thanks.